Welcome students. It is a third assignment in trigonometry. Here first problem, sin 11 degrees 19 minutes cos 18 degree 41 minutes plus cos 11 degree 19 minutes into sin 18 degree 41 minutes equal to. Students, here it is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B form. Students, it is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B form. We know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to sin of A plus B. Students, here angle A value 11 degree 19 minutes. Here angle B value 18 degree 41 minutes. Then A plus B value. Here A value 11 degree 19 minutes plus B value 18 degree 41 minutes. Here A plus B equal to, we get 30 degrees, students. Now we write a sin of A plus B means sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Here we get the third option. Next question, if tan 22 degrees plus tan 38 degrees minus root 3 equal to k times tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees, then the value of k. Students, here we know that 22 degrees plus 38 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Now applying tan on both sides. Left side value tan of 22 degrees plus 38 degrees. It is a tan of A plus B form. Right side value tan 60 degrees. Students, we know that one tan 60 is root 3. Here it is a tan of A plus B form. Tan A plus B form, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B form, students. Here A value 22 degrees, B value 38 degrees, students. It is equal to root 3. Students, this the denominator value takes the right side. We get tan 22 degrees plus tan 38 degrees equal to root 3 minus root 3 times of tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees. Here this root 3 value takes the left side. We get tan 22 degrees plus tan 38 degrees. This root 3 takes the left side. We get minus root 3 equal to minus root 3 times of tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees. Okay, now students, it is compared with the given value. Here we get minus root 3 becomes k. Here we get k equal to minus root 3. Here our option is 2. Here, next question. If 1 minus tan 2 degrees into cot 62 degrees by tan 150 degrees minus cot 88 degrees equal to k root 3, then the value of k. Students, here tan 2 degrees value we write tan of 90 minus 88 degrees. Students, we know that one tan 90 minus theta value cot theta, that is cot 88 degrees. Next, here tan 150 degrees value. Here tan 152 degrees value we write tan of 90 plus 62 degrees. Students, we know that one tan of 90 plus theta we get minus cos theta, that is minus cot 62 degrees, students. These two values are substituted in the given value. We get 1 minus tan 2 degrees into cot 62 degrees by denominator tan 152 degrees minus cot 88 degrees equal to k root 3. It is the given condition, students. Here tan 2 degrees value, cot 88 value, tan 152 degrees value minus cot 32 degrees. Substitute here, we get 1 minus tan 2 value, we write cot 88 degrees into cot 62 degrees by tan 152 degrees value minus cot 62 degrees minus cot 88 degrees equal to k root 2. Here in numerator and denominator minus common and cancel. Here we get cot 88 degrees into cot 62 degrees minus 1 by cot 88 degrees plus cot 62 degrees. Here cot 62 degrees. Students, it is in the form of cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Students, we know that one cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A value cot of A plus B, that is cot of A plus B. Here A value 88, B value 62, that is 88 degrees plus 62 degrees. It is equal to, we get k root 2. Students, it is the cot of 88 plus 62 value, we get 150 degrees. It is equal to k times of root 3. Students, cot 150 degrees equal to minus cot 30 degrees. That is cot of 180 minus 30 degrees. Cot 150 degrees means cot 180 minus 30. Cot 180 minus 30, we get minus cot 30 degrees. It is equal to k by root 2. Students, here we know that one minus cot 30 value root 3 equal to k root 3. Both sides root 3 cancel, we get k equal to minus 1. Here we find the value of k, that k value is minus 1. Our option is 1. Here next question. If tan A plus tan B equal to P and cot A plus cot B equal to Q, then cot of A plus B value equal to. Students, here given that tan A plus tan B equal to P. Here tan A value is converted into cot. Here we get cot of A plus B. We know that one cot of A plus B value, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. Here cot A plus cot B is the known value, then we find cot A cot B value. Okay, that's why this tan is converted into cot. Tan A value we write 1 by cot A plus tan B value we write 1 by cot B equal to P. Students, here by taking LCM we get a numerator cot A plus cot B, denominator we get cot A cot B. It is equal to P. Students, we know that cot A plus cot B value is given, that is the Q. Here we substitute Q by cot A cot B equal to P. Then cot A cot B equal to Q by P. Students. Okay. Now we find cot of A plus B value. Students, we know that one cot of A plus B form, that is cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Students, here cot A cot B value Q by P minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. Cot A plus cot B value is Q. Here we take numerator, we take P is taken as LCM, then we get Q minus P by denominator we get PQ. It is our required cot of A plus B value. that is the Q minus P by PQ. Q minus P by PQ. Second option. Students, next question. If sin of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta plus alpha, then we find tan alpha value. Students, given value sin of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta plus alpha. It is divided with cos of theta plus alpha. We get tan of theta plus alpha equal to 1. Students, both sides it is divided with the cos of theta plus alpha. Left side we get a sin by cos, we get tan. Tan of theta plus alpha equal to, we get 1. Students, we know that one, tan of A plus B form, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B form. Here tan of theta plus alpha value, we write tan theta plus tan alpha by 1 minus tan theta into tan alpha. It is equal to 1. Here on cross multiplication, we get tan theta plus tan alpha equal to 1 minus tan theta into tan alpha. Students, here we find tan alpha value. That's why this minus tan theta tan alpha takes the left side. We get tan alpha. This minus of value takes the left side. We get plus tan theta into tan alpha equal to 1 minus. This tan theta takes the right side. We get minus tan theta. Okay, from these two values, tan alpha is common. Remaining value 1 plus tan theta. It is equal to 1 minus tan theta. From this relation, we find tan alpha. Here, tan alpha equal to, we get 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Okay, now students, here 1 plus tan theta takes the right side. We get tan alpha equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. That is our required value, students, tan alpha value. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. That is option 1. Next question, students. If tan 20 degrees equal to P, then we find tan 160 degrees minus tan 110 degrees by 1 plus tan 160 degrees into tan 110 degrees value. Students, here given that tan 20 degrees equal to P. Then here we find tan 160 and tan 110 degrees. These are converted in terms of tan 20 degrees, students. That's why here we write tan 160 degrees value, we write tan 180 minus 20. Students, we know that one, tan of 180 minus theta, that is minus tan theta. Here we get minus tan 20, that is minus tan 20 value, we get P, students. That is the given value. Next we find tan 110 degrees. Tan 110 degrees value, we write tan of 90 degrees plus 20 degrees, students. Students, we know that one, tan of 90 plus theta, that is minus cot theta, that is minus cot 20 degrees. It is equal to minus 1 by P, students. Minus cot 20 means minus 1 by tan 20. Here tan 20 value is P. That's why here we get minus 1 by P, students. Now we take the required value. That is tan 160 degrees minus tan 110 degrees by 1 plus tan 160 degrees into tan 110 degrees. Okay, now students, here tan 160 degrees value we write minus P. Minus the tan 110 degrees value, we get minus of minus 1 by P, we get plus 1 by P. By 1 plus tan 160 degrees value minus P into tan 110 degrees value minus 1 by P. Students, here on numerator, we get 1 by P minus p. By denominator value we get 1 plus. Students, here minus of minus value plus. Here p cancel, we get 1. Students, here p is taken as LCM, then we get 1 minus p square by 2p. It is our required value, students. 1 minus p square by 2p. Our option is 2. Students, next question. Cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees equal to. Cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees equal to. Students, it is in the form of cos square b minus sin square a. It is in the form of cos square b minus sin square a. Students, we know that one. Cos square b minus sin square a value, we write cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Okay, now students, here also by applying same way, it is a cos square b minus sin square a value, we write cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. That is, we write a cos of a plus b 48 plus 12 degrees into cos of a minus b 48 minus 12. Cos of a minus b or cos of b minus a, both are same, students. That's why here we write 12 minus 48 or 48 minus 12 in terms of cos, we get the same. Cos of minus theta value, we get cos theta. That's why here we get 12 degrees minus 48 degrees value. Students, it is cos of 48 plus 12, 60 degrees. Here it is a cos of minus 36 degrees. Here cos of minus 36 is the same as cos 36 degrees, students. Here cos 60, 1 by 2 into cos 36 value root 2 5 plus 1 by 4. Here we get root 2 5 plus 1 by 8, students. Here we get the root 2 5 plus 1 by 8, second option. Okay, now students. Next one, tan 40 degrees plus 2 tan 10 degrees equal to cot x, then we find x value, students. Students, here we consider 40 degrees plus 10 degrees equal to 50 degrees. Now, applying tan on both sides, we get tan 40 degrees, tan of 40 degrees plus 10 degrees equal to tan 50 degrees, students. Here right side we get in terms of cot value. That's why this tan 50 value we write cot 40 degrees, students. 90 minus 40. Here 50 degrees becomes 90 minus 40. Tan 90 minus 40 value we get cot 40 degrees, students. Here cot of 40 plus 10 degrees, cot of a plus b form, students. That is tan of a plus b value, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b form, students. It is equal to, we get cot 50 degrees. Here this denominator value takes the right side. We get tan 40 degrees plus tan 10 degrees equal to, it is multiplied with the cot, we get cot 40 degrees minus cot 40 degrees into tan 40 degrees into tan 10 degrees. Students, here tan 40 cot 40 gets cancelled, tan theta into cot theta value becomes 1. Here this minus the tan 10 value takes the left side. We get tan 40 degrees plus 2 tan 10 degrees equal to cot 40 degrees, students. Students, it is compared with the given value. Tan 40 plus 2 tan 10, it is equal to cot 40. Here x value becomes 40 degrees, students. Here x equal to 40 degrees. Our required value 40 degrees, fourth option. Students, next problem. 1 plus tan 33 degrees into 1 plus tan 12 degrees by 1 plus tan 18 degrees into 1 plus tan 27 degrees. Students, we know that one, if a plus b equal to 45 degrees, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2 students. If a plus b equal to 45, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Students, here 33 plus 12 value 45 degrees. 33 plus 12 degrees equal to 45 degrees. Next, in denominator, 18 degrees plus 27 degrees, it is also equal to 45 degrees, students. Here it is a value, it is b value. A plus b equal to 45, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b value. In denominator also same, students. It is taken as a, it is taken as b. Here also a plus b value 45 degrees. Then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b value, it becomes 2 students. Now we write the given value. 1 plus tan 33 degrees into 1 plus tan 12 degrees by 1 plus tan 18 degrees into 1 plus tan 27 degrees. Both are in this form, a plus b equal to 45 degrees form, students. That's why 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b numerator value 2. Here denominator also same, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b form, it is also equal to 2. 2 by 2 value 1. We get 1 students. Our option is 1. Students, next problem. Sin 40 degrees minus sin 80 degrees plus sin 120 degrees 160 degrees equal to. Students, we know that one, sin theta minus sin 120 minus theta plus sin 120 plus theta value 0. We know this form, students. Sin theta minus sin 120 minus theta plus sin 120 plus theta value 0, students. We know this one. Here the given value, we write sin 40 degrees minus sin 80 degrees plus sin 160 degrees. This value we write sin 40 degrees minus sin 80 degrees value we write 120 minus 40 degrees, students, plus sin 160 degrees value we write 120 degrees plus 40 degrees, students. Students, now comparing these two values, here theta value 40, here theta value 40, we get sin theta minus sin 120 minus theta plus sin 120 plus theta form, students. That's why it becomes 0, students. Here our option is 1.